Hi, my name is Mrs. Klink, and I am the instructor for the Biomedical Sciences program at Cameron High School. This video is made for the 8th graders who are interested in possibly becoming a part of the program. So let me tell you a little bit about ourselves. The Biomedical Sciences program is a part of Project Lead the Way. You may have already been exposed to Project Lead the Way through medical detectives and maybe in some of your other classes as well. But it's not until you get to high school that Project Lead the Way becomes full year-long courses in pathways like biomedical science, computer science, and engineering. In the Biomedical Sciences program, it provides students with an understanding of the biomedical sciences in the modern world and prepares you for careers in this rapidly growing field. Students understand things like social and legal and ethical issues surrounding medical and technological advances, and it gives an emphasis on scientific principles and medical research. This program is meant to give you a broad foundation in science and healthcare and includes specialized knowledge in areas of molecular biology, genetics, biochemistry, physiology, anatomy, and public health. You will learn to solve problems, conduct research, analyze data, and learn through assuming the role of biomedical professionals. In the Biomedical Sciences program, here are your courses. You start off your first year as the Principles of Biomedical Science. It gives you just a basic understanding of where this program is going to go. In the second year, you have Human Body Systems, where it takes you through the entire human body, system by system, and you learn to diagnose and treat and understand the symptoms behind disease. In your third year, you have medical interventions, which is the cutting-edge science behind the healthcare industry. So let's talk about each one of these classes briefly. Principles of Biomedical Science is the introductory course to the Project Lead the Way Biomedical Science program. It allows students to explore concepts of biology and medicine and determine factors that led to the death of a fictional person. While investigating the case, students examine autopsy reports, investigate medical history, and explore medical treatments that might have prolonged this person's life. The activities and projects introduce students to human physiology, basic biology, medicine, and research processes while allowing them to design their own experiments and solve problems. Here are just some of the things that we have done in our first year biomedical science classes. Analyzing evidence, testing time of death, looking at infectious disease, doing a variety of lab experiments. You also get to learn about DNA. And you do a whole unit on cardiology where you learn the heart from the inside and out. You also get to start practicing your skills as a biomedical professional. And you get to do some fun experiments like sticking your feet in ice water for the sake of science, or some other interesting poses. You also get to stand on the furniture occasionally. All the while, you are building your foundation that will lead you into your career in healthcare. The second year is Human Body Systems. In this class, students examine the interactions of human body systems as they explore identity, power, movement, protections, and homeostasis. Exploring science in actions, students build organs and tissues on a skeletal mannequin. They use data acquisition software to monitor body functions such as muscle movement, reflex and voluntary action, and respiration, and take on the roles of biomedical professional to solve real-world medical cases. This is the mannequin that we start with our second year. Throughout the entire year, you sculpt muscles, organs, tissues. We spend the entire year working with our mannequins. We also do forensic anthropology, identifying remains of skeletons that have been found. We also do a number of dissections in HBS, including bone, joints, bone marrow, kidney, and brain. You also increase your skills in the laboratory with a variety of tests. You also use skills such as would be used in a medical office. And we have a little bit of fun too. This is one of our most famous experiments, creating burns on yourself in the unit where we study skin. The third year class is Medical Interventions. In this class, students follow the life of a fictitious family as they investigate how to prevent, diagnose, and treat disease. Students explore how to detect and fight infection, screen and evaluate the code of human DNA, evaluate cancer treatment options, and prevail when the organs of the body begin to fail. Through real-world cases, students are exposed to a range of interventions related to immunology, surgery, genetics, pharmacology, and medical devices and diagnostics. This class will expose you to things that normally you would not see until college. You will perform ELISA testing. You will work with live bacteria, doing bacterial conjugation and actually making mutant DNA bacteria. Working through simulations, even doing some labs that glow. This class exposes you to so many things that would take you on to a healthcare profession. Biofeedback, prosthetics arms, and more. But the Biomedical Sciences program is not just about classwork. We also have the Health Occupation Students of America chapter. This is something that you can continue through college as well. HOSA is going to help you develop your professional side so that you are ready for the medical professions when you get to college. Through our HOSA chapter, we sometimes have speakers. Here you see some doctor students and also some nursing students that came and spoke to our classes. We've also done field trips to the Missouri Western Nursing Program, spoken with professors. We even have a white coat ceremony to celebrate the achievements of our students. In the second year of the Biomedical Science program, students earn their white coat. You also have an opportunity to go to state competition for HOSA. We have had students engage in events such as pathophysiology, biomedical laboratory science, human growth and development, nutrition, clinical nursing, HOSA Bowl, and many others. We have a lot of fun at state competition. This past year, we even had 5 students place in the top 5 in the state of Missouri for their respective events. 3 of those qualified to go to nationals. This year, we went to nationals in Tennessee and Nashville, and we're hoping to attend this year in Florida. As you can see, we have a lot of fun. Now, I do have to tell you that the biomedical science program is very difficult. Make no mistake that these classes are very hard. You will work harder in these classes than you have probably worked in any other class leading up to this. But in addition to working hard, we also know how to have a lot of fun. We have Camp BioMed, we have Junior Scientist, and when we blow off steam, we have a good time. Now, if this sounds like something that you might be interested in, what you're going to want to do is grab one of these brochures. These brochures have a lot of information about the program itself. It tells you about all of the classes and all of the things that this program can provide for you. On the back, you will see that there is some information that you can explore further this program. The first website on the back page is going to take you to this website. If you are interested in being a part of the Biomedical Sciences program, you're going to want to check out this site. There are several videos on this site that will tell you more about Project Lead the Way and more about the Biomedical Sciences program. It will also tell you about each of the classes and has a copy of the application. One of the things that you need to know about all of the Project Lead the Way courses in high school computer science, engineering, and biomed, because we only accept a certain number of students into each program each year, there is an application process. Don't be afraid of the fact that you have to apply to be in the program. It's not hard, it just takes a little bit of time, and it is definitely worth it. The second website that you'll see on the brochure is going to take you to our own website, which is the Cameron HOSO website. You're going to see all sorts of information about our members, what we've done, things that we're doing now, and a lot of pictures of some really cool things. If you have questions, please don't be afraid to email me. I'm sorry I couldn't be there today to talk to you in person, and I know it's kind of hard to just get the information from a video. But if you have any questions about the program, please let me know. I would be happy to hear from you. I will also be available on the 8th grade advisement night, which is next week. You can talk to me in person there. But I really encourage you to apply for the program. If you have a love for science, if you are interested in the medical field, if you're interested from anything from veterinary science to research to cardiology, oncology, doctors, nursing, anything in between, please consider this program. It is well worth your time. We have a lot of fun. We work really hard, but it's a great way to get ready for your future career. Let me know if you have questions, and I look forward to talking to you next week at the 8th grade advisement night. Thanks.